third video today.
You guys feel impressed?
Mm-hmm.
So, with the whole virus going around, and it's not anywhere near us or where I'm at that I know of, but I won't say it. Apparently, it's bad to say on YouTube, so I won't say it. But right now in Indiana, I probably got like the 10th notification of a blizzard about to happen. Don't know if it's true, because in Indiana, it could say that, but then be sunshiny. It could be 80 degrees after they say it, so I never know. But I want to go over some main things I stockpile. I stockpile more in winter than summer. One of them you're gonna think is kind of weird. Maybe the other one, but this one's a little weird. But first off, it's electrolytes. I have a hard time drinking bottled water because the reason I have trouble with drinking bottled water. It's one of my copings that feared of getting diseases from bottled water, so I drink electrolytes instead. And if you're gonna drink electrolytes, I 100% recommend this stuff. Like 90 calories, gluten-free, no caffeine. It has all the good stuff, not the bad stuff. Gatorade and Powerade, you want to just throw out the window, because I was recommended this by my brother who's a U.S. Marine, and they say in Afghanistan and Iraq, any of the deserts, even in winter environments, they said the best stuff to stockpile is this. They said it's wonderful. They said it goes good with any MRE, and it brings comfort. So I started drinking those instead of Gatorade, and actually I feel a lot better after I stopped drinking Gatorade and started drinking those. I feel more energized, more myself when I started drinking those. No, he hasn't been sleeping there all day. Just got done with dinner. Another thing, I already have millions of these, but I like to make sure my favorite one is working, which is my favorite pen. I love this Papermate ink. What is it? That's Inkjoy. It's gel pen. I think it's gel pen. Yeah, it's gel pen. Love this. It writes really smooth. And it's fun to fidget with. You're a fidgeter on a Sharpie. Nothing I get free. I find them on the job at the college I work at. So, and usually we're supposed to Thursday away because risk of getting high off these is very high. So we have to throw away because they're considered drugs. I was like, okay. I always have these on hand. Another thing I like to get my beat up journal and update all phone numbers, all addresses, all the medications I take. I like to update that. When I'm done with this video, I'm gonna update some phone numbers. Put them in here. It's all beat up, but it still got some life in it. The only reason it's beat up is I used to carry this in my pocket. This I would carry in my pocket rather than my phone. But during school, I knew better not to be on my phone because my mom, my stepdad could track everything on my phone. So phone in the locker, this in my pocket, so. And this has just got notes in it from over the years. And it's still got a bunch of pages left. So many notes of prayers. I don't pray a lot, but when I feel like it's necessary to pray, sometimes I write them in here. And then once I'm done writing my prayer, I read it to the person who I want to read it to. Like the few times that was a little hard. The few times I had to write prayer were two funerals. One for my stepdad, and another one I read to my uncle when he was in the hospital before he passed away. So this is kind of personal to me. Is where I write my thoughts down and stuff, which I think everybody, doesn't matter how manly you are, how girly you are, whatever you think you are, having something just to write down, a prayer, a thought, a little note. This is really good. These little notebooks, they're really good. And this notebook's been everything. My medical book, my therapist book, and now my thoughts and my prayers. That's why I put a cross on it. Duct tape. Another thing I get for free. Kinda. Won't say where I get this. But usually when there's an overstockpiled duct tape, which is, I think it's a sin to say you're overstocked on duct tape. That's to me. You don't have too much duct tape. So I get a roll on them now and then. And then I like to make sure my good flashlights are charged and everything. My rechargeable one, I gotta go charge. But I definitely choose Bushnell over Maglite. I'm probably gonna offend people for saying that. But I had issues with Maglite, especially the LED flashlight. Oh man, I loved it. I always wanted one. Then I got one. I think I had a loose wire or something in it. So anytime you bump it or you just jolt it this fast, it turns off or it flickers. Another thing I'm stockpiling, which I'm getting, I think tomorrow, is a big thing of Coca-Cola. At Costco, that big case of glass bottles of Coca-Cola. little comfort food. Uh, you, that's what I call it. It's on our comfort food list. Um, I feel stressed, I go get my Coca-Cola. It's just how I've always been. Anytime I feel stressed out, I just go drink a soda. Um, um, you can tell I've been stressed out. I got all these damn pimples on my face. Oh my god. Another thing I like to check if it's okay. Is my favorite alcohol. That I don't. I had the same alcohol. What is it? Has it been 5 months? Can't remember. But I stockpile my favorite alcohol. That can be used as medical too. You know. Um, and when he's over, I get my mom brings a little bag of dog food. He sometimes doesn't eat it. When I do give it to him, so I put it back in the baggie. And I stockpile that. Today he ate it, so I don't have any. But if he was trapped here, we actually recently got something from my roommate's mom. She made some homemade beef jerky. That's also edible for dogs. And man, is it good? I haven't had I never had homemade beef jerky. It's really good. A little bit spicy, but it's good. He likes it. Kind of tough end, but it's good. Little thing to snack on. Now if you're done picking your teeth, yeah. That's about it. Oh, another thing, I like to make sure my thermal socks, which I'm wearing my favorite ones right now, are good to go and ready to be used in case I have to go outside. Hopefully I don't, because I don't like going outside in the cold. Don't know what else to say. I'm trying to get it together. My my backpack, but it keeps changing and changing, so I can never make a video on it. I just can't get into why I'm changing it so much. I don't know why either. But a video will be coming out for that. Stay safe. Wash hands. Use hand sanitizer, Lysol. Lysol everything. Keep your distance from people. Don't go in crowded areas. Because you go in a crowded area and one person's coughing, everybody's affected. That's how the world works. Have a good night, and see you tomorrow probably. Tomorrow night maybe.